In today's video, I'll teach you how to clear cache of Crunchyroll. So in order to clear the cache of the Crunchyroll application, what you have to do is open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. What you have to do is find this option for stories and tap on it. Now you'll be able to see various options over here. Tap on this option apps. Now you'll be able to see all the applications over here. What you have to do is find the option for Crunchyroll. Once you find the app, tap on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. You can see over here right now the cache is 27.18 MB. So what you have to do is tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the cache will be decreased to 0B. That means your cache is cleared. So that is how you clear cache of Crunchyroll. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.